TradingView.
Yeah, I'm live on TradingView. What you talking about, Willis? Yeah.
Sorry about that.
I don't know what you talking about. I'm live. What we got working here? Ah, BTC, huh? Or more importantly, oh yeah. Check out Solana. Solana pumping. Let's see. Where are we going? Oof. Yeah, no history. Not enough history. There we go. Got here a little 3-day. Okay. Top side of the power mean band. It's always lovely. Another one. Let me drop a 4-hour here. I'm just taking a quick peek at this. Little bear div setting up. Interesting. Get a little pullback here. Ooh, boy, oh boy. It's times like these. I'll tell you what, boy, if we get a rejection here on another higher high, yeah, keep an eye on that. Having an outlier on the 45, though. To the top side. Not setting up any div. A little bit from way back, but yeah, we good. Solana looking good. Gotta get that Z-score up. Pump it up. There's an outlier. Nice. Higher highs. Higher highs. There we go. 33-minute. Interesting. Likey, likey. All right, it's not playing around with the shit coins. Let's see here. Take a quick peek. I'm pretty sure SPY's up pre-market. Yes, it is. Almost 441, huh? Yeah, I had a nice bounce yesterday. That first 4-hour, right? Bottom side of the 68.3 didn't close a candle below it. Got a couple wicks below it. Pumped right back. Almost got to the center of the weekly range before the close. Yeah, nice. Very nice. A couple good trades yesterday. It happens. Good trades happen when you got the VEPS. Let's see here. And one other I wanted to look at. Yeah, what are you doing here, gold? Couldn't get above the top of that monthly range. Earlier in the day, got a wick right to it, pulled back, right? 4 hours, 68.3 Laplace distribution range to the downside. Right back up to the 1 SD on the daily, back up to the top of the monthly range, rejection there. Let's see what happens at the center of the monthly here. Gold could spill out, but like I was talking about yesterday, you got the weekly range down here, monthly range right here. Gold could be in a nice tight range all week. Don't be surprised if it does do that. Yep. Got a nice battle line set up here for the bulls and the bears. Bulls on the downside, bears on the top side. Ooh, don't want no bear on top of me. Oh my God. Copper down. Copper looked like it wanted to run yesterday. Apparently not. Yeah, it looks like crypto. What's that, boy? Yeah, natural gas, you little shit. Interesting to see Coinbase today. It was up 3% yesterday. Let's check these minis out. Oh, there's the whales. The whales. All right. Here's the SPY macros. Let's check it out. Top of the weekly range right now. Really? Yeah, kind of ranging right now between the top of the weekly and the bottom side of the 68.3 Laplace distribution range. It's a little bit below the bottom of the weekly. Okay. Interesting. Leading levels matter. What about the NASDAQ micros? Okay. Pretty much a little range today. Little bitty range. Let me see something real quick. Where is, top side of the monthly, center of the weekly. Tell you what, NASDAQ is, you know what? Let me see something real quick again. Real quick. Yeah, I mean, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Where is, there it is. Boy, that is a big monthly. Yeah, I mean, the NASDAQ and the SPY minis both set up real similar. Got the weekly above the monthly. Start populating these dailies up here like it's trying to do. We could see another rocket ship here in these markets. No doubt indeed. No doubt indeed. Alpha Trading doesn't need any news. We could give a shit less about the news. When you have leading indicators, you don't need the news. That's why people are so infatuated with it in the first place, because they're using lagging indicators. Log into this account. Oh, that's right. Letting the wolf loose. Let me get this market open here. I'll give these expected moves on SPY and triple Qs. Let me see something real quick. So from what I'm seeing right now, let's check this out. Is this new daily going to be? Yeah, probably closed above the daily. So we're going to get a pullback to this new daily range. I don't know, man. Let's see where it opens first before I start. Let me see though. Yeah, boy, I'll tell you what, the new daily is going to be coming in right around the bottom of the weekly. Maybe a little higher. I don't know. We had that volatility in the morning to the downside. It's pretty even. Looking somewhere right around the bottom of the weekly, I would imagine. So 439, I mean, we're talking 0.4 of a point. Is that close enough? Yeah, I mean, actually it is, but I'll have to look at these charts. Once it opens back up, let me see here. Yeah, triple Q is going to be the same. Actually, probably right around top of the monthly, a little bit below. Maybe top side of the daily is going to be right up there. Either way, both of them definitely closed above. That's what this late day was about, right? I want to make a little run today, I think. Indeed. Be interesting to see these strike prices when this opens. See what you got to pay. Probably be having to pay for these calls, I would imagine. Did you have any big moves yesterday? Well, I got busy after the stream. Didn't check back in. Let's see. I told you, man. Telling people about Lyft. That was definitely a straight shot right to the bow. Signal Central. Hopefully somebody listened. I already triple dipped on Lyft this year. That's enough. Although every time Lyft's dipped inside $10, we have a great. It's really had a nice move. Has really had a nice move. Let's check this out. That's what I'm talking about. Will it continue? It's a pre-market. What, 11.14? It's a weekly and a monthly. Boy, oh boy. Got a lot of macro volatility. Just melded right through it. Found support on it. Okay. Right on the top of the new weekly, and pop. There we are. Everything's nice and tested. Nice and tested. Where's the new daily range going to be? Yeah, probably right around yesterday's 95.4 Laplace, second standard deviation. It's a good move by Lyft. Anytime you see any of these assets make a distribution move like that, it's a nice powerful move. Top of the daily range. Didn't close the candle above the top of the volatility range for yesterday's daily time frame. There it is right there. Let's see, what was it about? 11.3. Actually, yeah, 11.31. Good move. So you got the daily volatility range was down here, right? With all the other macro volatility. No wonder. I mean, this was great support right here. Great support. Opened up the new week, bounced right off of it. Tested the month. Monthly definitely been tested. What am I talking about? But yeah, to make a run through the entire volatility range. Powerful, man. Powerful. 1, 2, 3, 3, and 4. There'll be 4 support and resistances to these daily volatility ranges. Good stuff. Red lines are the resistance. Green lines are the supports. Didn't have to worry about the supports now, did we? Looking like, yeah, Lyft, Roku. Roku was up 8%. SoFi up 8%. What did? Yeah, Tesla was down 1.75, huh?
Oh no!
Oh yeah. Looks like wheat and soy. Wheat and soy had a nice run yesterday. 1.6, 1.4. Wow. Incredible. Incredible. Okay, so what do we got? 17 minutes.
For anybody new who's listening, when we say support and resistance, we mean just buy pressure and sell pressure. We just use those terms so that you can kind of relate to them.
Because you're coming from traditional TA land. We don't draw lines on our chart. We let the code populate it. Leading levels, volatility ranges, distribution levels. It is a beautiful thing. BTC had a nice little pump here at the end of the day. Went all the way up to, what are we talking here? Let's see this new 4 hour. Actually, let's see, last 4 hour candle of the day, where'd that pup open up? Yeah, man, that was actually only one SD move. One SD move. Okay. Pulled back, though, right at the end of the day. Where to? Right back to the daily range, man. Right back to the daily range. And that was a 2 SD move to the downside. Yeah, right here, little blue line. Right below the center of yesterday's daily. Let's see. Already hit the top side of the 68.3 Laplace. Below the daily range right now. Daily range moved up, right? You've got, you still got the center above the top side of the 68.3 Laplace. You'll definitely get a new daily range above the weekly, and we could see a nice Wednesday pump-a-roo. See how this works out. That's really hammer. Oh, Bonk, I'm sick of looking at you for weird-ass percentages. Still haven't realized what the hell, man. All these different exchanges that trade Bonk, they're always just there's so much. I don't understand why these art bots aren't ripping that thing. Probably no liquidity. There you go. TC 3.87. Was that to shorts? Shorts back up to 830, huh? No. Bitfinex, you got 93,212 BTCs longed. Madness, I tell you. Madness. They've been hanging right around 100K too for quite some time. Quite some time. Everybody's like, is BTC going to pull back? Hey, man. Doesn't really matter when you trade a low time frame volatility. Most traders spend their whole damn life worrying. Not here. Let's see. What we got?
My God.
Yeah, my God. Pop this over on crypto. Go to BTC. Got a dog creeping on the porch.
Bilbo,
Yo.
what do you reckon? Dixie, $96.80.
What you speak of, sir?
There's a monthly mean, monthly VRE mean, remains untouched, super bullish. It pretty much printed and retested the top side of the monthly mean and then just pumped all the way through. I think it was like a year, 2 years ago.
Do what? Yeah, I'm not looking at any untested monthly means from a year ago. What are you talking about now? Exactly. Dixie, boy, let me see something real quick. Now, here's what I've been looking at. What did I get down to? It's 101. Got to go over here. Got to see something here. 5 day?
5 day turn.
Yeah, man. As far as right now, get this monthly up. We got reverse wave trend, 99, 99.3. Reverse Fisher down there, about, 90, 95 point. Let me see here and blow this up, take a peek. 95.4. 95.4. I could definitely see this coming down to the reverse wave trend. I mean, Dixie, right? Look at the monthly chart. Big old dollar bull run.
Those
Worthless.
the spaghettis work on the 1 minute. They will definitely work on monthly.
Like sewing stew.
No kidding, man. No freaking kidding. It definitely looks like it's trying to work its way down. Sure, people are drawing vertical or horizontals on their chart as we speak. Bad idea. Bad idea. Careful out there. Need some power means in your life, some reverse wave trends and reverse fissures and log return moving averages. Not your exponential and simple lagging indicators. I can't believe this guy's saying my indicators lag. This is bullshit. I'm going to go watch somebody else's channel. Guys, price action follows returns. If you're using indicators built on price, they're lagging inherently. Just deal with it. It's okay. Figure out a way. If you want to trade like that, you got your work cut out for you. You got your work cut out for you. So be careful out there. These markets are very volatile. That's why we teach low time frame volatility trading. Say rounds in the chat. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I see him trying to hide from me. There he is. Good to see him back. Good to see him back. Yeah, man, I could definitely see this. Now you're probably talking about like a VRE monthly level. Warlord, when are you talking about? What month?
2022 March 31st.
Yeah, man, that's a little far away, man. You said 2020, March of 2022.
Yeah, that month.
That's
March 31, you'll see on the charts, 2022. And then there's like not even a retrace to it. Usually there's like wicks. It just moved $3 pretty much away from the new print immediately.
So you are talking, let's see, yeah, let's go right to the first, see where this monthly printed. Zing. Hello?
You're asking me the very hard thing.
The hell
this
did
is why
thing
we
do?
pay for TV, so that they can.
It didn't even take me to it. I did all that for that. What's up? Yeah, Trading View. Yo, sup?
It's a scam.
Try this again. March 1st. Ding. 2022. Time frame, yeah. 0. Boom. Go to. There we go. Now we gotta bring down the scale, see where this data set. Oh yeah. Okay, we can already see this baby's probably. Yeah. Come on, man. Let's go. Yeah, because there's a monthly support level down here at 102. Yeah, data set separate probably around 105. Come on, baby. Goodness gracious. Literally, right before I started the stream, I was moving charts around. They were moving flawlessly. As soon as I start streaming, zip.
There's like a little roadblock thing there by 1800 hours.
There it is.
On your clock thing, bottom. What does that mean?
There's a little what?
Oh, no, I understand what it is.
Oh, what you talking about, Willis? Let me see here, man. This monthly range definitely got tested. Let me see. Pull this in. I mean, I'm looking at support levels.
Then it's the March one, or the end of this month, the next prints.
We talking about April? Yeah, there's
January, February, March.
There's the range right there. See it coming into view here. If I could ever get this chart to move.
August, though.
There it is.
I think it's the data range is just so far back that.
Yeah, definitely the March monthly range definitely got tested. Let me go to April. Let's see here. April 1st. Go. Go, 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 gadget. So here's the new monthly. Yeah, man. I mean, still data set below. Let me see something. I can't even get this baby to. Yeah, man. I mean, these monthly ranges have been tested. I don't know what you're looking at, my friend. I don't know what you're looking at. I mean, here's the center of the monthly range in April. Is that, yeah, 3rd, 5th, boom, boom. We are definitely here. Yeah, this thing's been tested. Yep, don't know. But let's see here. Let me reload this chart. Take a second. Goodness gracious, what happened? I took a fork in the road. Got scary. 23. It was a nice filler though. We're almost at here to market open. Yeah, figure out exactly which level you're talking about, and I'll take a peek at it again. Definitely not March or April. Yeah, it could be a hippopotamus, like a little hippopotamus bump. Who knows? Who freaking knows? That's right. That's right. This on real quick. Yeah, it's pulling back a little bit. Probably going to get closer to. Yeah, this is what's going to be a good play here. I'm going to be looking where this new daily range is. Okay. Was up above, almost a 441 earlier. I think it was up here right around in this area. It's already pulled back inside this weekly range. Let's see. Yeah, we've got a little pre-market battle going on. Obviously, these bulls want to sit on top. They want to sit on top of this weekly. Bears, yeah. The Bears, they want this thing back down below the center of the weekly. Give them a little fighting chance here. Give them a little fighting chance. We got 6 minutes. Let's take a peek over here. But yeah, just to go back to Dixie, yeah, I definitely see this thing breaking 100, man. I mean, it is. I don't even know what the hell's propping it up. All the tanks, all the stealth bombers, shit like that. That's about it.
Yeah, boy. They're starting to depreciate. They sent them to Ukraine. So they get blown up, get new ones for cheaper and better ones.
So crazy. The criminals that are running this country is just incredible. It's freaking off the charts right now. Off the charts. Right in everybody's face. And most people are just like, hey, when's football season start? It's fucking just crazy, man. They got people in this country so just spun up. The Matrix is alive and well in the States. Everybody's like, I want to move there. Be like, okay. I love this country. But we need to take control again. These criminals work for us, not the other way around. They have just tricked people. All right, let's see here. Yeah, man. Dixie, definitely a doom though. And here's the month. I mean, SPY is sitting right at the top of the power mean band. I mean, literally over the last few months, right? This thing got up above the 9 log MA and zip. I mean, last month. It's not me. What was that? Nice monthly candle, right? Nice monthly candle. Beautiful test of 33 power mean and the 9 log MA. Right at the cross, you get a wick right down to it. Zip. Bounce right to the top of the power mean band. Gets scary out here for data sets, right? Getting away from mommy. Yeah, it's mommy. Loves the power means. So at some point, you come back in here, right? Returns mean revert. And we see it all the time. I don't care what time frame. Throw it on a 30-second and watch this thing in action. It's mind-blowing. It's mind-blowing. To finally have leading information, right? 50 nuts. Okay. So
sweet. Up and down, one candle after another. It hit that 3SD band and came right back down on the same candle all the way to the RMLR and the UPM below it, the power mean.
Are we talking SPY?
No. I was looking at Bitcoin 4-hour time frame yesterday.
Right.
We had that whack on the
through
RMLR and then came right back down literally on the same candle.
For sure.
So nice.
For sure. There was that one SD move. Boom. Whappo. And then wham, right back to the RMLR. I mean,
literally.
And that was, dude, that move too. 3 SD move to the, let's blow this up for the class.
Yeah, it shot up a few SDs, it shot back down a few SDs, one candle after the other.
You open up this 4-hour candle. It goes up, wick right to the first standard deviation, wick right to the 3 SD to the downside. That is a wrecking machine right there. People just got smoked. Probably bulls.
You know who enjoyed that move?
Who did? Jaws.
That's right.
Gobbling folks up, man. Yeah, that's
Scalpies.
nice. Nice wick, man. Just like Yasha said, right? You run this up, you're literally on this 4-hour candle, you're up there by the 3SD, but you're at the 3SD band, the volatility band around the RMLR. So boom, next thing, you get the pump up on the next 4-hour candle, the first standard deviation above the 3SD band, slammed it right back down. Like I said, 3SD the downside, but pulled up, closed on top of the RMLR. We're still here, still above the RMLR. Look at the future projection. Now this is only a 7 length, all right? Only a 7 length. We seeing what? The more you use this indicator, it'll blow your mind. You'll be like, I'm starting to see something here. What am I seeing? Be like, yeah, that's what I said when it first came out. I was like, wait a minute. Hold the presses. Yeah, these future projections, man, this is the data feed error for sure.
Yeah,
Boy, they're both there.
Yeah, if you just reload that screen, it'll go away for sure.
So we had an intersection right here. Yeah, the 30 length coming down. But, yeah, I mean, there was some nice support right here from both lengths of the RMLR. Beautiful. I got to figure that out, man.
But literally in the space of like an hour, you could have made your whole day just the up and down. It's crazy.
There we go. Protection. Throw this baby on. There we go. Hey, rock and roll. Shit, let's get over here. Where's this new daily?
And we're open.
Yep, right about where I thought. Look at the center of that range. Said it was going to be right at the bottom of the weekly at about 439.21. It's looking like it was 439.03. Hey, man, somebody's allowed to be a dime off. You kidding me? Not bad for an asset. It's, it's $440. $440. And look at that top side of the range, top side of the daily range. That I mean, it's close enough, but God, man, these are especially the bottom side of the distribution. This thing loves to get tested. 439 area, 439.3.
You win.
Bottom side of the 68.3 is at 439.26. You're literally right at the top of the weekly right here. 39. Expected move to the downside right at 439. Top side a little under 442. So really is what I'm looking for is a test, and I'm going to be looking at some calls. I mean, I could possibly throw a put on right now, but yeah, man, the way this market's been acting lately, when you're this close, I mean, we're talking the market closed at what, 439.6. Top side of the range or daily range 430. I mean, it's literally like 30 cents. Pretty close, man. Definitely under 1%. So that
It's
being
going to
said,
go up, down, or
yeah,
sideways.
I mean, this thing would just whoop. We could see no down action today. But that being said, we got the, what would that be? Yeah. Second resistance level up here at the top side of the 68.3. Yeah, here's the first right here. Daily range down here. Got the first resistance level on the daily volatility ranges right at the top of the weekly. Then we got the second right here by the this first 4-hour candle, a little bit under the first standard deviation on this 4-hour candle. Then you got top side of the 68.3 right there. And I know, guys, if you're watching these streams for the first times, all this terminology, it's probably just woohoo, just crashing into your skull. It's okay. Take notes. Look stuff up. This is what we all had to do. But you guys are lucky, right? We're literally providing this information. There was nobody doing this for us, right? It was a total shit show in the beginning, to be honest. I was pretty lost.
Do you trust this number, Bilbo? Do you trust this number?
Yeah, I'm just like, what the hell is this stuff, man? This is crazy. I'm going to have to learn this. Took time. It did took time. Time. Jesus. Beautiful. Makes me not even speak correct English. Oh, boy. Yeah, geez.
YOLO!
And the freaking dog kept me up again last night. Like I watched the stream again yesterday. After 5 minutes of watching me on that stream, I was like, "Damn, what the hell? People are gonna think I'm on blow or something." I mean, I was so tired and jacked on caffeine. I was just all fidgety. I was laughing my ass off. I was like, I look like a crackhead. No, trust me, guys. I'm a little over caffeinated again today. I don't know what's been going on with this dog. There's definitely some predators. So he's been just going ape shit every night, keeping me up. God, man. And the problem is he goes off ripping off of his loud bark. I can't just let him out in the middle of the night off chain. He'll just go cause all kinds of problems. So yeah, here I am, tired as hell again. I did take a little nap yesterday. But then I got all my freaking alerts on, kept waking me up. It's like, Jesus, just turn it off. Turn it off. That's what I say when I checked out. That boom, I turned everything off and never checked back in. So this is all fresh to me. We're all looking at it all fresh.
The dog was having seizures all night and also today.
Oh, well, my girl earlier was freaking coughing. I'm like, are you shitting me right now? I was just hoping that it just, she got, because she was outside, hoping she just got something in her throat or something, but please no, not another coughing dog. It didn't work out well last time. I'm still not over that one. My good girl. Yeah, I'm sorry to hear that, Yasha. That sucks, man. Seizure soon. Yeah, I mean, that's what Max had, that seizure, and that was the sign. He looked at me like, dude. I was like, I know. I know, buddy. Oh my God. Now I'm in sad Dogville again. Oh, guys. Y'all know. I don't have to explain it. Anybody that's an animal lover. It's kind of weird though, right? We eat some, we domesticate others. We're a fucked up race. We are. we are a bunch of screwballs.
Well, animals do the same, right?
Yeah, man. They sure do.
A lot of them you take care of the others.
The whole simulation is just eating each other. And then you got the vegan. Then you got the vegans with their signs in the middle of traffic. Don't eat meat.
Yeah. I think I figured it out. We eat the ones that aren't a luxury to keep. All right. So now this depends on your culture.
Yeah.
But most people in Africa aren't going to. That's, in Africa we will. So it's that kind of game. It's the whichever animal is the animal that is a luxury to keep is the one that doesn't get eaten.
Yeah.
There's another rule, because if they wear gloves and pants, they can talk, and if they can't wear gloves and pants, then they don't talk, according to the Disney cartoons.
I think in Western society, we don't eat predators, right? Because I think early on, when we were like cavemen, we learned that, we didn't have the knowledge, but blood-to-blood pathogens pass between species a lot easier. So that's why we don't eat dogs, because dogs will go eat a rabbit, right? Versus like something like a cow will just go eat grass, or pigs will go eat grass, or whatever they can get their hands on, right? So I think that's a large part of it is, that's why we don't eat cats and dogs. And I think
predator, it's like a predator pathogen.
Yeah.
Kind of thing.
Yeah. So once you start going east, like into like Asia, right? They don't have very variable soil, so they run out of food really quick. So that's why some regions in China they eat things that we find absolutely disgusting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, hey, the ancient Romans used to eat dormice. It was a gourmet delicacy.
Right?
What was
dormice? Dormice. Ancient Italian food.
Make mice meatballs.
There's kids today that are bunking school to dig up the maize fields because there's like these little field mice in them, and the education board in Zambia is getting pissed off at them for bunking school to go dig up mice to sell on the side of the road. So they can get like 25 cents USD a mouse.
Damn.
Yeah. It's a real thing over here.
What is that, like 5 kwachas a mouse?
Pretty much, yeah, good one.
So for $1.25, you can make a mouse kebab.
Right?
Yeah,
I love it.
mouse, a piece of green pepper, mouse, and a piece of onion, mouse. You know, you see where I'm going. Jesus. Tell you what, you'd be surprised what you would eat if you were starving.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, man. Things that people think are disgusting, they'd be like, "You got salt and pepper for that?"
Yeah, exactly.
Fucking be gobbling it down.
Survival creates entirely new levels of what is edible.
Yeah, bro. Sure does. Sure does indeed. Where you want some good protein, fuck man, just go dig up some earthworms, start pounding them things down. Pound them down. Chocolate covered crickets and all kinds of shit.
Fried tarantula.
Ooh, spiders. Fucking kill them all. I got spider issues. And I'm in the middle of the woods and there's big bad boys everywhere. I'm being attacked on all levels.
Spiders.
Yeah. Let's take a peek on this SPY on these low time frames here. Where we're going down through. Like on the 5-day on SPY, I mean, man, you're up here above the reverse Fisher on the 5-day chart. If this data set can stay up here, I mean, but guys, good Lord, we're talking a 5-day. I mean, this is months out. This is probably October-ish, maybe a little later to even get this power mean band up here around 434, probably. So it's got a ways to go, man. Definitely got a ways to go. Returns mean revert. If I'm like super bullish on SPY, I'd be careful here, man. I'm telling you. I would be real careful. Let's see what the 3-day looks like. I know the volatility is really low. Volatility is really low. Yeah.
I think the problem with SPY though is just those 7 stocks, the AI stocks, they're just pumping that up where the other 493 are just, they're probably closer to that power mean. So there's almost like a need for like a SPY minus the 7 to see where that is, but it doesn't exist. I'd look for it.
Yeah.
The S&P 493.
Yeah, it's just because like Apple, Microsoft, Google, Tesla, right? They're just so high up there. They're distorting everything in SPY.
It's not really distorting it. They're not so much distorting it because that's where so much of the liquidity is.
Yeah, I think SPY overall is like there's parts of it that have just completely struggled.
Yeah, but I mean, there's so much liquidity in the top that that's what you got.
This baby,
so
man.
Like
the charts don't lie though. The mean reversion doesn't lie, and there's gonna be some mean reversion coming at some point here, and everybody will be like, "Oh no, I was just."
Those seven pull back, like SPY is going to pull back even harder, right? So because it's so weighted at the top.
What am I looking at here? Hold on. Hody do. Oof. Nice. Fire water. There we go.
Well, shout out to Trading View. keeping us nice and visible.
Yeah, and I was going to say, it took me a second when you said the SPY 493. I was like, what the hell is he talking about? And then I was like, oh, Jesus. Flew right over my head, dude. Flew right over my head. But yeah, makes sense. It's like Earth Beer wants, man. Get rid of them 7. We got the SPY 493. Let's see here. This thing is just way out of bounds, man. Way out of bounds. Let's go this 2-day or daily. But that's the thing with the power mean band. All this thing's got to do is get down in here. I mean, there's mean reversion happening. But the reason why I have the blue dotted line, or one of the power mean bands as a blue dotted line, that's the 33. That baby gets all kinds of action. I think of that the mean within the mean. That's how I feel about it. And then reverse wave trend down here. This on a daily, what, 427? And this is the time for this to happen at some point. I mean, it's not that far away, but like I said, there's mean reversion happening for sure. And that's when the RMLR comes in too. When you look at the daily, right? Boom, boom, boom. Go to the daily, go to SPY. And yes, I will turn off one of these links so it's not as confusing for new viewers, because at this point they're going, what am I looking at? Is this a star chart? No, it's the moon cycles, man. It's the moon cycles. We trade the moon. No, we don't. Don't be silly. Turn off the 30. Yeah. And when it comes to the reverse mean log returns, I mean, we just had mean reversion, right? I mean, it's all over. Had this pump pulled back down below. Goodness gracious. Yeah, here we go. I mean, for mean reversion right now, and you're up here you're messing around with the 2SD band. Messing around with the 2SD band. Look at the future. Look at the future mean log returns out here. Now, this is not price, right? This isn't price. It doesn't mean that like the data set's going to be up here or something. These are areas of mean reversion. It's powerful. You got the 30 power mean down here, literally almost by the 3SD band to the downside. Boy, oh boy. Tell you what, man, I'm not just looking at these charts. Let's look at the 4 hour. Okay, it's above. Ooh, yeah, data feeder. Where is the 30 real quick? Oh, they're both bouncing again. This is the thing, man. This 30 length just keeps bouncing off the 30 length power mean. Jesus. Getting ready to look. Got a little scissor action going on here too. Right around 436. And guys, it's only 4 points, man. 436, huh? Where is that bottom one at? It's at 435.77. 435.77. Where are you? Down here by the weekly support? I mean, dude, it's like 5/10 of a cent. Right at the first weekly support level. Beautiful. I mean, look at the first 15-minute candle, right? Look at the first 15-minute candle. Zippity doo dah. That's a tricky one right here, man. At this point, I mean, obviously I was away from the chart too. I was waiting for this to go to the top side of the 68.3. Damn near got there. Did it pull back hard? Yeah, it did, man. Yeah, it did. Obviously, it's a 15-minute chart, so it's not that hard, but just saying, these levels matter big time.
Yo, you want to look at EUR USD?
Oh, Euro USD. We got some humping going on. What's happening?
Yes, inverted humping, inverted pumping.
Oh, yeah. The old invert pump and hump. Right to the center of the daily range. Little rejection off the top side of the 68.3 Laplace distribution, and steadily through these 4 hour candles just works its way, or through these four, and that's what this is. These are the 4 hour Laplace distribution ranges. All right, I've got them overlaid on a 15-minute chart with the VRE. Powerful little center of the daily range here. Indeed. The weekly. Is this top of the weekly down there? Let's see here. Yeah, yesterday found support on the top of the weekly and just steady moving. Losing some steam against the dollar. I don't know. They're both worthless. Jesus. I'm just getting blown up. Leave me alone. Just a little boy. I don't know nothing. Women want me to go to Hawaii for the weekend and shit. It's like, yo. Leave me alone. I got shit to do. Can't just go play on the beach. Or can I? Oh, yeah. Pound's up, though, man. Pound's up. What's going on with the euro? Euro lost some steam. Pound's enjoying slamming that big Charlie down on the dollar. Let's see here. What is that up there, though? Monthly resistance. Weekly's definitely been tested real nice. Yeah, where's that monthly range on this pair? There it is. Top side's down there at like 127 area, kind of 120, yeah, almost 127, 126 and 3/4. That's what? First resistance level. Okay. First resistance level on the monthly chart. There's the first one on the weekly. If we can get above this monthly, we could see a nice little move here. Pound US dollar. Maybe first resistance on the weekly, 95.4 Laplace. It's definitely looking like it's got some get up and go. Oh, what's wait a minute. Where's Warlord's favorite? You are yeah. Not good for the kwacha. Dollar's squatching the kwacha. Jesus, I forgot. No liquidity. It's all right though. Come on, kwacha, we're rooting for you. Warlord's tired of selling mice on the side of the road. Oh shit. Let me see here. Where? Too many monitors. Let me read this here. I'm saying enough. Maybe update. Sometime can. Yeah, I'll have to look at that too. I don't even use them. Right? That's it. That's just you. The little symbols on the APP are pretty much just directional symbols. I don't even use them. I like getting rid of them. Kind of gives more depth to the actual indicator itself. But yeah, I mean, I got eyes. I don't need them. It's a nice little bell and whistle though. It's cute. We're trying to compete with all those scammers out there. Got all the little bells and whistles and all the little indicators. Obviously, I'm joking, but it's the first thing that comes to mind. Yeah, mine are turned off. Obviously, you can see it on my chart. All right. Do not to be having them. All right, SPY, what are you going to do? I'm going to go to the 15-minute. See what this thing ran into here. Come on, baby. Populate for daddy. Let's go. There we blow. Okay. Nice. Got outside this power mean band, boy. Came right back to the top side of it. What we got? Wave trend down here at about 439.5. Expected move to the downside is about 438 3/4. It's literally down by the 1 SD. And this is obviously, I'm not going on these first and second standard deviation levels that Tasty has populated here because it is definitely not the correct math, but that's okay. Let me see here. What do we got that at? They got the 1 SD at what? 438.5? That was interesting. That is on the 0 DTAs. No. Well, wait a minute. Yeah, see, man, I got it a point lower. I got the 1 SD on the daily a point lower, and this is what bad math will do for you. Hey, this stuff's not easy, guys. This stuff is not easy, but you're a point off. You got it at 4. What do you got it at? Hold on, man. 438. 438.5. We're at about 437.5. A little deeper, man. Little deeper. You got the 2 SD at 435.5. 2 SD at 435.5. Where are you, baby? Let's see. Come on. There, it's coming into view. Bring it up. Bring it up. Come on. Actually, 2 SD might be a little closer. Okay, let's just... Where in the hell are you? Okay, damn, 2 SD is pushed way out here. Yeah, you see? I mean, they got their 2 SD at 435.5. Guys, it's at 431.87. Unless we got one snuck up in here somewhere, do we? Hold on. There's another one right here, 434, 34.78. No, that's a 4-hour. That is the 2 SD. No, there's another one stuck up in here. There has to be. So yeah, still point off. I've got it a point lower. Point higher on the 1 SD, point lower on the 2 SD. Trying to find support here on this weekly range. That's good. Center of the weekly for SPY. Telling you, man, this wick down here too. That's a nice little test for the daily range, to be honest. I'm looking for effort, right? Looking for effort. They get an A for effort. Let's see. Will it hold? Bulls are going to fight for this space. I mean, it was already on the open close enough, but that's affirmed right there. So what do we got up here? 441. We have any outliers? Pop this 4 hour on here. Come on. Come on, baby. Boy, this 33 power means strong action for SPY, man. Strong. That's a thing. That's a good mean reverting point, man. Boy, it's nailed it a few times. This baby want to run. That's right, man. That is right. Oh. At some point here, though, man, baby's getting a little away from itself. All right, looked at the day, looked at the 4 hour. What was this 90 at? And you're trapped in this weekly range right now. One side's going to have to make a move. You're going to have to release the Kraken, as one would say. On the other side, who's going to do it? This first 90-minute candle is a total doji. Finding support on this 9 log MA. Rejecting off the 33, though. Boy, if that baby can't get past this 33 on the 90, we could see this, 439 area, and that is the expected move. Like, I mean, the 90-minute reverse wave trend's about the expected move to the downside on Tasty 0DT chart. Tight range, though. I don't expect this thing to do much. Let's see. Pain for the put side again, man. Pain for the put side. Interesting, man. Chart I look at. Yeah, we're creating this nice. Battle going on. 90-minute and the 45-minute. Volatilities are low, too. My wish list trading view is to have my indicators populate quicker. Obviously, this thing's a beast. This thing's a beast to begin with. But yeah, it's just, I'm streaming on the charting site. I mean, it's definitely overwhelming. I got some work to do, though. I got to beef up the RAM on this computer, too. That could help a little bit. Just max it out at 128 or something, I think. I think that's what it maxes out at. I got like 64 in here right now. Obviously not enough, but I think more of it's just trading view. I'm overwhelming it with the VEPS. It's a mind virus. It gets in there and just starts chewing away. Want to appreciate all the support on yesterday's vid too. Everybody, we appreciate it. Guys, come into the chat. Ask some questions. Oh yeah, I see that in the chat. Oh, that's why you wanted to look at Euro USD. I didn't know we had a request. I'll get a little deeper into it. Let me finish with the SPY. If you're still watching, Rohit 54171. Are you a bot? I'm just kidding. Let's see here. Yeah, I'll get back into it. I mean, the 45-minute wave reverse wave trend just got tested. All right, on that pullback. Bam, bam. Top side of the power mean band, 441, almost 442. Almost 442. Where's 442? We up here. Yeah, first resistance on the weekly. Into that thing. Gonna have to get out of this weekly range, though. I mean, this thing could get trapped up in here. Got the top of the weekly right here. That red dotted line. There's the bottom. That red dotted line. Center up on the yellow dotted line. Or right here. Trying to find some support. First resistance level is right about top of the power mean band on the 45-minute chart. Let me see the 33 actually on here. Starting to have an outlier too. Interesting. Chart's pretty clean right now. If I ever say that, it means there's no div. I'm not looking at any significant divergence between price action and returns. Between price action and returns. I was doing a little side-by-side with the RSI yesterday. Guys, shit can that indicator. I'm telling you right now, man. You're being led astray using that thing. God. I mean, it was just time after time after time. Returns heading up, RSI heading down, right? With price. Why? RSI's built on it. It's ridiculous, man. What the hell? People are looking for div in that. There's no div there. No real divergence. Anyway, you can believe what you like. We've done a lot of freaking research and studying on this stuff. RSI is a worthless indicator. Really is. For what everybody thinks, oh, it's great. No, it's really not great. It'll get you wrecked real fast. You want to know where the real div is, especially when that real div is setting up. Now look, in this one of the time frames I was looking at, look at the bear div on the returns oscillator. All right, you got a higher high. What are you hitting up? What are you butting your head against? The 33 power mean that's at the top of the power mean band. So do you think when bear div is setting up, score too, then started to have an outlier? When the moves start, really accelerate right when it crossed the zero mean. Right when it crossed the zero mean, it was at the top. Pop, 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 pop. Right on down, my friends. Right on down. Great time frame. You're going to want to get your hands on a returns oscillator. Alpha Trading has one. There's not many out there. There's another group that has one. Highly don't recommend getting involved in that camp. If they even have any followers at all at this point. Guy's a total maniac. Whatever you do, don't ask any questions. Don't try to learn at all because he's gonna tell you you're too stupid to learn this stuff, which God, it just boggles my mind. How sick is an individual? You start a movement, you want to change things, but everybody's too dumb to figure it out, in his opinion. We're not like that, man. Everybody gets a shot at this stuff. If you can grasp this, kudos to you. Yeah, and here's the 33-minute. Look, got a wick right to the 33 power mean. I mean, this doji, it's being created. Now, why? Look, top side, you got reverse Fisher, top side of the power mean band. You got the 33 power mean and reverse wave trend down here. Then you go to the VRE and you see where the data set's at. It's right here in the weekly range. Right here in the weekly range, man. Let me see something here. I don't have a feeling this fucking thing's going to go boogie town. 42. What's up here, man? What's that expected move? 441.5. Top side of that weekly resistance, 442.75. Is it going to make a march? Where's 442 at? Right about here. Above the first 4-hour 1SD. I would love to see this come and test. Fully test. Top side of this daily. That's you're going to get a nice discount on some calls. Specifically to 440, 441. That's what I'm looking at. I want to play this tight. I'm not looking for any lotto tickets. Plus, guys, do your homework, man. The percentage of those hit, dude, it's so low, it's ridiculous. We're talking about buying premium, 0 DTE. You're playing with fire the farther you go out. You want to play these ranges tight, man. You want to play these ranges tight. It's all about just winning the trade. Not trying to hit a home run. 4 singles is a home run. We try to say this all the time. We're filling these tiny buckets. I mean, sometimes I'm taking like $50 in profit or something. People are like, oh, ha, ha. That adds up real fast. That adds up real fast. I mean, you can do this. You can trade these markets part-time and have a great week. You really can. And most people that are here, that are listening, they're getting this information. What's your goal? You want to be a full-time trader. Big time. Which there's a lot of people out there who's like, look, quit day trading. You're going to lose all your money. Hey, man, it's true. It's tough. It's not easy. We have created this indicator package to help you with leading information. But here I am again saying, do not come right into the Discord and go, oh, I need you, because there's indicator junkies out there. They just want it right now. Give it to me. If that's how you want to roll, no problem. It's not like we're not going to sell them to you. But you are going to be confused as shit. You need to come in and learn the basics and take your time. Stop trading, for crying out loud. Give yourself a break while you learn. And trust me, I mean, after a couple weeks of studying this stuff, you'll start to see the light. You'll start to see the light. Because the people that are watching these streams, I mean, look, you're wanting to learn, all right? You're wanting to learn. We don't charge for education. Come on in. Come into the Discord. It is full, packed full of info and friendly people. Every once in a while I get Warlord going off on a... Go in and look at all his nice little gifs and charts. I was literally losing my mind this morning going over it all, laughing. Got some funny people in there. Good stuff. Hopefully he didn't get abducted by the neighboring tribe. Where's my dude? Here we go. Let's come on down now. Let's visit these lower levels, specifically the 68.3 Laplace, with volatility. So why is the Laplace distribution range? That's these white crosses. Why are they out of sorts? It's all volatility, man. Right? It's fluid. Moves. These ranges move a little bit. All you got to do is reset the chart. They'll be flat. All right? See, it just pulled back in. But this doji, that first candle, that's what created it, man. Get a little volatility like that, it'll move the distribution levels just a little. You can see the 1 SD, right? Just a little bit. But usually after, you get some candle closes, especially like a 4-hour, just reset your chart. Get those flat levels again. Flat levels matter. Okay, so what is it? What's the bottom of the weekly right here? 439.21. There you go. There you go. 99 log MA. 99 log MA is right there. Boy, that's it, pretty close to the bottom of the power mean band too. I mean, we did get outside of it on that dump, right? But immediately came back up into the wave trend. Specifically 33 power mean right up in here. Like it a lot. Yeah, 439.21. I'm actually looking for this area now. That is the bottom of the weekly range. So that is lining up perfectly with the 33-minute 99 log MA. Then you got the 9 right below it. Good support right there. I mean, but where's it sending wicks into right now? The 33 power mean and the 33 log MA. It's right here. Yeah, I mean, this thing's in between a rock and a hard place. The bulls are the bears. Whoever flashes first, this thing's going to move. That's for sure. But it's a tight range, man. It's in a tight little range. There's no doubt about it. What's this 15 look like? Let's see where we're coming back down to. What you doing, girl? Come on, populate for me, baby. It's 440. Yeah, man. Those things just dropped off a nickel. 7 cents, actually. Talking about the 442. I don't know, man. That's a little way out. Come on, power mean band. My goodness gracious. There we go. I mean, hello. Right to the reverse wave trend. Right to the reverse wave trend. First, 45 minutes of the market open. Get a wick up here running towards. I mean, look what happened last time you hit the reverse Fisher. Bam. And what was setting up when it did do that? All right, it was setting up bear did, man. All this works together. When you have leading information and you see divergence setting up between returns and price action, and then you're at a level like this, guys, it's literally a no-brainer what's about to happen. Really is. This was on a mission, man. This thing shot through the entire power mean band. I mean, it shot through. Where did it first get caught up at? 99 log MA. Right here. Right where it's at right now again. Yeah, this got some mischief going on here, man. I'd just like to see a full test of that area. Right there, 439.21. 439.21. Yeah, man. It's right down here at the 9 on the 15. Remember where it was at the 33. Let's get a quick wick right down there. Quick wick right down there. Probably be a good entry. Yeah, I'm talking entries now. And I'm never really on stream going to show my little workflow, my little entry workflow down here. Because, yeah, you might think I'm crazy, which I am. So I just don't want anybody to mimic my trades. Because it is definitely, there's a lot that goes into it. A lot that goes into it. And my biggest fear is people don't have risk management. Right? Because I'm not saying every trade I enter is going to be great. A lot of them are. But if they're not, I get out of the position. I don't sit in it. You got to get out of these positions in these volatile markets. You cannot let these markets take your money, man. Because, trust me, that's their mission. Clean them out. Clean them out. There we go. 442. There we go. Slip. Slip right on down there, pup. Come on, good pup. Let's see. We're definitely breaking the zero mean. What are we? Ooh, yeah. Is that volatility all the way expanded? No, it's not. But you got everything expanding negatively correlated. I like to see that guy. Could we get the bottom of the power mean band? Well, I think it'd just be a springboard down here. What's that? Fourth? That's probably 1 SD. No, about a point below. First support level. Yep. Bottom of the daily. Right up in here. I'm telling you though, man, this is some great support right here. I just want to get a wick down into the bottom of this weekly range. It's being front run by the algos. I mean, you can see it happening. Bears are trying to push it down and just keeps getting kicked back up. Look at these 1 minutes. Yeah, there we go. If I'm scalping low time frames, dude, whatever time frame I enter on, 9, 6, 3, 1, whatever I'm seeing that is the catalyst, I'm gonna throw the VRE on it. All right, I'm gonna throw the VR. Number one, I want to make sure I'm on that time frame, because say I enter on a 3 minute, right? Say I enter on a 3 minute time frame. What if I get in an entry right here? Next 3 minute candle, I'm out. I'm out of the position. Straight up. Look at the next candle. Went back up, right? Oh, you would have been good, would I? This is why you just get out of the position, man. You get out. If I get a good read, it's a good read. It's just the volatility is volatility, man. Correlation. Look at the breaks in the correlation. This is just giving you insight on what's going on with these big algos. That's all it is, man. The volatility changes quick. Like right now, all this volatility could continue to expand. What happens on this 15-minute candle close where all of a sudden all these correlations break positive and you continue to get contraction? I mean, if you're in a short and you didn't take your profit, you're going to get wrecked because this thing's going to fly. Let's see here. What do we got? Oh, give me my... While we're waiting for that little move, I'm going to keep an eye, make sure SPY. What number am I looking for again? 439 and like a quarter. I'll keep an eye on that while I flip. I'm going to go back up over here real quick on that 4X pair. Give a little bit more. Hopefully, my man is still watching. Give us a Heidi Ho in the chat if you're still here. Euro USD man. Definitely losing some steam. Yeah, we got tail of two worlds here with the pound and euro. Pound and euro. Here's what I really want to see, though. Let's go right on over here. A 5-day first. Yeah, euro's been running a freaking train on the dollar. But you look, man, you're on the top side of the power mean band up here. Got wave trend down here at about, what, 1.07. Not too far. Interesting. Yeah, this is definitely, I mean, I'm telling you, it's looking like the party's over. Party's about over. These macro time frames, this thing's going to start coming back down. Dollar is getting ready to take control again. What do you got up here? Same area, man. Same area. So I'm looking at like Looks like 107.6, 107.5 area for a little pullback. And this could change. Let's see what the 2-day is. Oof, setting up. This is what you want to keep an eye on. So on the 2-day, yeah, and you're outside the power mean band, you're setting up some bear div. Setting up some bear div on both Z-scores and returns oscillator. Both Z-scores and returns oscillator. Let's just check this out real quick. See if we're seeing anything over here. We usually do this, but we're going to do it today. Because, now let me switch it up. Throw this on a 7 length like the returns oscillator is. So there's no shenanigans. Yeah. You see any bear div? Absolutely not. No bear div on the RSI. Bear divs on the Z-score and the returns oscillator. Returns oscillator. Z-score of Laplace distribution. So, yeah. When's this 2-day candle close? 1 day, 7 hours. All right. Be watching for a zero mean cross. Let me see here on the daily. Where, of course, right? So if you're looking at the RSI, everybody right now is like, hey man, it's setting up bear div. No, it's not. Not the divergence that matters. Not at all. No div. The daily chart's pretty damn clean, to be honest. Real clean. RSI wouldn't show that though. So right now you got people, like I'm saying, I'm thinking this thing is going to pull back, but yeah, I'm not trusting that indicator. Chat GPT got anything to say today, Yasha? You see here, we got, yeah,
It usually does.
There's the bear div right there, played out on the 4 hour, coming down. I mean, there's no hidden bull, right? There's no hidden bull. This move can definitely continue down. You've been up here on the 30 length Z-score, messing around with these higher confidence intervals. This thing's, 30's trying to turn up. There's no doubt about that. And clogging up my chart. Just wanted to see in that one time frame.
Hello, it's me, Alpha Trading GPT. I hope you're enjoying some nice profit taking with the mean reversions as indicated by the RMLR on Bitcoin and other assets. Did you know that if you were a crypto asset, we could most probably accurately predict your future RMLR? Don't take my word for it. See for yourself how accurate it is. Do you know why other retail traders don't use that? Because they don't even know it exists. How many times have you wished you could know something, anything, about the future? Our indicators use leading information and relevant maths, and that's why our predictive tools are as precise as surgical-grade laser beams. Do you trade with traditional technical analysis? If you are, you're using lagging indicators built on lagging information. Notably, you're using indicators based on price action, which just follows the returns. So the typical tools you're probably using, like RSI, EMA, SMA, VEPS, and other tools can never be leading information. At Alpha Trading, we trade with leading information, also known as the VEPS. What are the VEPS, you ask? That's easy. They are volatility, entropy, probability, and statistics. And yes, even you can learn how to use that information to trade. You can try our VEPS tools for free, and you can get free access to our volatility starter pack of indicators plus a chart, pre-populated to make it as easy as possible for you to get set up quickly and learn to trade volatility, probability, and statistics. Once you get your free access, learn the tendencies. Learn the chicken tendencies. They're the main cuisine on the bleeding edge of quantitative trading. Volatility and correlation have a very reliable set of tendencies that affect and indicate the probable direction of price action. After you learn the tendencies and try the tools out properly, you can get a 2-week free trial of fat bunch of our top premium trading indicators. If that doesn't pique your interest, well, maybe you're just stubborn. And that's okay. We need liquidity on the other side of our trades. So stay there, if you want. That should be a wake-up call for you. Most will ignore that, at their P&L's peril. Alpha Trading is not like every YouTube Jimmy selling lagging indicator nonsense to their own communities. We're not in the business of selling garbage that's designed to fail most of the time. We're VEPS traders and we offer our community access to the best tools available to retail traders on the world's largest charting site, TradingView, because it gives people a real, quantifiable edge. Come into our Discord and learn for free. We have the best educational info to learn how to trade the VEPS, and we have the friendliest group of traders, happy to help you learn to trade the VEPS. Also, our soundboard is fun, and you can play with it, too. Alpha Trading, a better way to trade, and a better trading community for scalpers and other true financial market gems.
There you go.
It's beautiful. Brings tears to my
Yeah.
eye. You gotta love it. You have got to love it.
You guys, what to say?
Oh, interesting. Triple Q's fell out of the bed. A little more. What do we get down to here? Yeah, you're below the weekly, huh? Below the top of the monthly. Okay. Candle closed
Gee.
down here, huh? That's what I was kind of looking for.
P-Funk, this is Hal.
This is how. Are we Space Odyssey?
Yeah, he was asking what's the computer name in Space Odyssey in 2001.
How?
And then in
Hilarious.
10,000, and in 2010 it was Sal 9000.
Creepy.
He upgraded.
Lagging these nuts. Oh, you guys are killing me. Love it. Absolutely love it. Definitely some movement. Definitely some movement. I miss that cheap 442, although, man, it's still I'm gonna put some. I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? 41 cents. Outside of the 68.3. Boy, almost got tapped. Looking for a catalyst. Okay, 90 minute, huh? An outlier. Yeah, man. 45. 33. $45, 33, blah, 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 boo, boo, boo. Yeah, let's see how this thing reacts here again at the top of the weekly. What are we going to do? Oh, yeah. Yeah, Dave. Dave was the commander's name or whatever.
Yep.
God, what creepy ass fucking Event Horizon. Isn't that what it was called? Creepy ass movie, dude. I watched it out the other night again. I was just like, why am I watching this before I go to bed? It's so evil.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Jesus. Crazy movie. Crazy, crazy, crazy.
It's a trap.
It is a trap. 100%, man. 100%. It's just doing its thing. I love it. Love me some whale noises. Soul's still running.
Yeah.
Over $22. It's good to see Solana back up at over $22, man. Right now it should be about 30. See what happens. Get that baby up there. There's probabilities. There's definitely probabilities. So yeah, that expected move being above 441, man, I like the 441 calls, to be honest. I really do. Especially if this thing can break the top of the weekly, it's going to run, man. It's going to run. I mean, you got the top side of the 68.3 here, but here's the first resistance level on the weekly. This is only the second on the daily. You got the third right on top of that weekly range. I mean, that's a freaking magnet, man. That's a freaking magnet. What can we do with that little booger? Yeah, why not? 17s. Where's that 442? Yeah, it's too high. 441, huh? I like that little booger. I do like that little booger right there. Whoops. Whoops. Oh, do not want that. Whoop. Oh, that's quick.
Dude, volatility on SPX is
Woo!
crushed across the board. Flashy, flashy.
I was this close to doing a fat finger right there. Good Lord. I'm glad I'm quick. Holy shit, that was almost a mistake. I'm not even going to tell you what I almost just did. It was not good. You could hear the cancel. Cancel clear, please. I literally sent the order through. God, if they would have filled that. Ugh.
Bruh.
Bro's right.
Oh, no.
That would have been a train wreck. Yeah. It gave me a chance. Gave me a chance, boys. Take full advantage of that.
Get wrecked.
Get wrecked. How much time's left in this 15-minute candle? 454. We see some real quick. Boy, this thing. Yeah, man, a little hidden. Wow. For 9 minutes, this thing creeping on. Yeah.
It's a trap.
A lot of hidden, man. Delete that sucker. Boom. Pump that one up. Give the go-go. Whoa. Do I got that? Oh, I do. It's going to let me send that sucker? It might. No. Charlie. Damn you, Charlie. Where are we at right now? 442. Give me a second here. A quick, hot second. Nope. That off. Boing. Ring the cash register. Filling buckets. Let's see. All right, now I got that out of the way. Anything in there? Nope. I cannot change the law of physics. Sure you can. Quantum physics.
Just need more of those dilithium crystals.
Need more dilithium crystals. Yes. Dude, that's right. Somebody said something the other day. I was on one of the stores. All these kids, dude, crack me up because they are clueless. Clueless. Somebody told them I had to I was going to make sure my dilithium crystals were charged, blah, blah, blah. And they were just like, the fuck are you talking about? It's like, you don't know what dilithium crystals are? Where have you been, man? They're just like this.
Tell them
dude.
you have a stash full of unobtainium and watch if they believe that it's actually real.
Yeah. Dude, I got a cache of freaking unobtainium. Had to kill a bunch of whales to get it. But yeah. Stupid. Stupidity, man. That's all I'm going to say about that.
And, what was it? Bullwinkle and
yeah,
and the other character, they had that. What was it? Something like unobtainium. They had some silly hokey idea, fake element, right? It was like back then everybody knew it was a joke, but now they don't. They don't even study high school science, so they don't have. I mean, they study it, but they fail it. They don't pay attention, so they don't even know. Here I am generalizing, but it's
6,
all too common for people not to even know what's in the actual table of elements.
Right.
Yeah.
Yep. Yes, sir. Well, here we are. We're right back. These beautiful little backfill here. Tell you what, these bulls are going to have to get above the top of this weekly, man. This is a super tight little range right here. Who's going to nuke out of the ballpark? Yeah. Is that your junk drawer? Your chaos corner? Saw that the other day. Somebody's talking about their junk drawer. I was like, oh, you should see my chaos corner. It definitely trumps your junk drawer. Chaos corner. A lot of shit going on there, I would have to say, my friends. How is that? Interesting.
The table of the elements is a useful thing to know.
Yeah. Very useful. Oh, here we know. What do we got? Well, gold, weed, gold, silver, air, weed. He's got it. Oh, funny. Guys, join the Alpha Trading Discord just for the laughs. Get to hang out with the world famous P-Funk.
That's right.
Yeah. No, it's all good. We're all bored. I will not be bored any longer once this data set gets above the top of this weekly range. Telling you what, man, this thing gets back up. If this thing gets up above here, it's going to be a fun week. This thing could push. This thing could push. Indeed. Let's take a peek here. Let's see what possibilities. Daily. No. We get this 5-day. Oh, wow. 5-day closes in 5 hours. That's what I'm seeing. I mean, Jesus. Look at this 5-day candle. Top side of the 68.3. First standard deviation of the bottom side. Turn off this 30 length. Noisy. Yeah, we got dead air. So, well, I had to turn on the, let's turn that off. Boop. There we go. Scale this down. Why are you still populating? That should have changed. Let's see here. That's why I turned off the wrong one. There we go. Okay, like I said, 1 SD the downside, 68.3 to the top side. But yeah, I mean, literally, this 5-day candle's getting ready to close. So more, let's see, did we just get a new 3-day? There we go. What's a 1 SD on this 3-day? Right at the 2 SD band around the RMR, 448. By the end of the week, that looks like a good target to me. We'll see what happens. Got to get that. This is if it gets above this weekly range. Man, you could be looking. All right, here's the other flip of the coin. 428 area. Big range. 20 points. Big range. Could see it, though. That's how powerful these weekly ranges are. It's going to win out. Bull's going to close it above this 440 point, whatever, 58 area, or below the 439 and a quarter. And to the downside, you're back in the monthly range. You're back in the monthly range. That's why, I mean, the bull's in the ball's court right now, man, for sure. For sure. How do I say that? Well, we got to center the monthly down here, too. Center the monthlies at 434. That's always good for a nice kick up. First support level on the weekly, right there at about 435.69. Where, yeah, first resistance level on the weekly. It's up here at 446.88. Where's the first monthly? There it is. Up here, daily, up around 99.7 Laplace. Fourth standard deviation, 452. Very low probability we see that number. And if we do, look for a massive pullback. That's what's great about the distribution levels. As you break through these distribution levels, you got to start looking at the probabilities below it, right? You get up above the 95.4 Laplace, second standard deviation, there's immediately a 95.4% chance by the end of the day you close inside that area. This is why when you're trading the VEPS, the days of buying tops and selling bottoms is over once you understand this. If you're above a 95.4% probability level, why in the world would you get into a long position? You are going against the probabilities. I'm not saying sometimes it won't work out, but this is what this is all about. You got to trust the math. You got to trust the math because it is going to play out more times than not. Bet that. Bet that. Oh, nice. Oh, we got some real art going on. What's all this art about here?
Bunch of wolves sitting around, lounging, trading Bitcoin, allegedly.
Allegedly. Looks like Trump with the red tie. Pink tie, whatever it is. Hilarious. Hilarious, man. Oh, is that a new little gift there with the Laplace distribution? That's pretty cool.
No, that's years old, man.
Great. Pretend like I didn't say that. Dude, there's so many. It's ridiculous. So many. Yeah, that was funny yesterday. You guys were just hammering that chat with all those memes and gifs and shit. I was just cracking up.
He asked for some examples, so I gave some examples.
I was like, let him into the GIF room. That's where we're supposed to be doing this. But no, we need him in the chat. It's good for morale. You know how people are. Bear markets just make people
I'm happy to
crazy.
drop him in both. No problem.
This is a time to be accumulating. Accumulation station. Boy, they're slow playing. What is going to go on here? The slow play is on. That's why I'm down on these low time frames. I'm getting ready. Be looking on this 9-minute chart. We're getting ready to get this cross up here. Wave trend's trying to cross up Fisher. That could be when this thing breaks loose. Maybe come back down another test, and that's what, right at 439.69. Wait a minute. 439.69. I bet it's at top of the daily range. Yeah, a little bit above it. It's literally right where it's been going down to, right where these candles were closing. Right where the candles were closing. Yeah, this cross matters. Holy shit. That is one angry animal right there. Want to be messing around. Well, I like it. No bear div, man. No bear div. It's all hidden bull. You get a bounce right here. Lovely. Lovely. Both these Z-scores are down, though. So this is going to be a minute. This is going to be a minute. Literally. One good thing. Like I said, let me see the cross. Where did that cross at? Where's that data set? No, it's not. That is a higher high. No div. No div on the cross. Study that stuff, guys. Don't just use the points on the return oscillator. Also use the cross. Use where the returns oscillator is crossing the zero mean. Every day that goes by, I'm realizing how much more powerful those div plays are. Let's see here. Because, yes, it does matter. That's huge. When you understand what the zero mean is, that's huge. Every time you cross this thing. Every time you cross it. Just don't ask me what it is, because I have no idea. How's that for some comedy? I'm just kidding. Let's see here.
Average.
Yeah.
Average trade. Statistically average.
Wow, variance is pretty damn low, man. Variance is low down here on these low time frames. Look at the volatility, man. Look at the volatility. And the 2400 hanging high up here. Predictors to the top side. We're above the power mean band. I mean, this thing, are we looking at a little rocket launch here? Are we looking at a rocket launch? No, man, it's setting up hidden. Setting up hidden from the bounce over here. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. What's this 1 minute doing? What's this power mean band look like? Again. Yeah, higher highs, man. I like it. I want to see this power mean band now. What's been going on? Let's populate. Here we go. Yeah, looking good. Looking freaking good. Power mean band breaking through everything. I like it a lot. This thing looks like it's getting ready to make that push. Make that push. See here. Yep. Yep. 1 minute. Getting out. Let's see. Going to be tough though, right? Top of that weekly range is a bear. Literally, they're sitting up there. They all got a fucking jar of honey. You know how honey makes bears. Crazy, man. Absolutely crazy. When I lived in the Sierra Nevada mountains, it was bear central, right? I've seen a lot of crazy shit over the years.
My God.
The bears. Overall, they're pretty friendly creatures if you don't threaten them. You ever see a cub? Just fucking leave immediately. Get the fuck out of Dodge. Don't be a dumbass. Look at the cute little bear. Woohoo, let's get a selfie with it.
Watch your profanity.
They'll be pulling you out of the bear's feces later. They do not like when you mess with the cubs. Mama bears are mama bears. They'll rip your limbs off.
Emotional damage.
My dogs used to chase them up trees. It's been just hilarious. Run downhill. Find a hill and run down because they will not catch you. They can't run downhill fast. You put them on a flat surface or going uphill though, dude, they're going to catch you. They're powerful animals. Oh, I'll just climb the tree and get away from them. Oh, yeah? Good luck. You ever seen a bear claw? They're massive. Massive animals. All right, we're sitting
here. On hills, quite funny.
Do what?
Seen bears roll.
Yeah, they're faster rolling.
Yep.
Like, dude, watching the panda videos, you want to crack up. Talk about some dopey animals. Those things, they were put on the planet to just be dopey. In fact, they are a riot. They love to get in a ball and roll.
Yep.
Jack is a bear. It got the short front arms, so it cannot run downhill. It definitely could roll faster.
Yeah.
Jeff, seen a bear get into a big bee's nest, get the honey, and just get ravaged. I mean, by thousands of bees. It is a riot too, man. It is a riot. It's like, yep, messed with the wrong nest there, boy.
Oh no.
Yeah. Boy, this thing's attempting to get above. I mean, first candle of the day, right? Got up above it, pulled back inside. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting to see a 15-minute candle close on the top side of this weekly range. If it does that, could release the hounds right there, man. That could release the hounds. It's going to go up,
down, or sideways.
Yep, there's the signals for the day. So get on your low time frame horse, start riding. Take that profit. Take that freaking profit, man. That's what it's all about. Small little buckets. Small little buckets of profit, my friends. If you guys want to, anybody that's in the chat, in the Discord, if you want to look at anything, put it in the Alpha Voice chat so I can look it up. Because I am mumbling, bumbling, stumbling right now, waiting for SPY. Oh, we're going
VRE.
Full DJ.
Like looking at VRE on a 5-minute time frame, you can, because there's that first standard deviation for the daily right there too, and you can just see the battle just waging around that one standard deviation.
What asset?
On SPY?
Yeah, on SPY.
Yeah, because that's not going to be a daily. That's not going to be a daily first standard deviation. I mean, the daily 1SD, the top side's at 443.47. Bottom side's at 437.61.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's the mean, or it's the top side of the
weekly. Yeah, right here.
Oh no. Actually, it is actually the first standard deviation for the daily.
No.
The mean is down there at 439, right? Like the middle of the mean.
Are you talking about for the weekly?
Daily.
The daily is down here at the top of the monthly, right at 439.02. Yep. But
Yeah,
that's not deviation levels though. Those are volatility ranges. Like the first standard deviation on the daily is this blue cross line up here at like 443.45. And then here's the top side of the 68.3, the white cross line, 441.31 area. Boom. Bam. So top side of the 68.3 Laplace.
443.54.
443.45 right here. That is the one SD, which if you go over here,
Okay, I got that.
throw this on the daily on SPY, turn off the RMLRs. It's this blue dot right there. 443.46. Bammo. So right now, just, creating a daily candle, the little doji, ranging inside the 68.3, which are these white cross lines. We can close the candle above the top of the weekly here, though. Will be interesting to see what happens here. First resistance level on the daily, or is that the second? Yeah, it's first. First resistance. No, it actually is the second. My bad. Here's the first. Breaking through the first and the top side of the weekly right now. That's why I love this area right here. First resistance level on the weekly. This thing can get through the top of the weekly range. I would imagine bears might put up a little fight at the top side of the 68.3 Laplace. But I'm telling you, man, they're expending their energy keeping this down inside the weekly. That's why I'd liked seeing that candle close, right? That 15-minute candle just closed. Immediately comes right back to the top of it. But now, here we go. Let's see what happens. It's free. It's above there. The bears were definitely camped out. I'm not saying they couldn't slam it down from there, but bulls worked hard to get this thing up here. Bears were definitely pushing. They might just let this thing go, though, to be honest. One of those things where, especially, you get above the 68.3, we could definitely see a move. Like Yasha was saying earlier, the volatility.
It just got rejected on QQQ. You get some of that cross stuff with the Microsoft and the Apples, right? So it rejected on the weekly on the QQQ, so it might get slammed back down on the SPY.
Let me see something here, man. That's the bottom of the weekly, though. That's even tougher. Like I said earlier, triple Q's, SPY is looking better than triple Q's. Triple Q's has got, top of the weeklies at the top side of the 68.3. So yeah, bears are more in control of triple Q's in my opinion, especially on intraday. SPY, if they can keep it up there, let's see what happens. This thing isn't closed yet. It's all about the close. Of course, they're going to push. They close this candle back inside. Yeah, man, game on. Game on. It's gonna be a toughie. But the way it's looking, let's see here. We got, I'm telling you, man, on the 90-minute, this thing's bouncing off of this has got top side of the power mean band written all over it, over 442. It's definitely wanted. Just no man's land down here. How bearish are we on intraday? I'm not really at all, but you got the 99 log MA down here at about 435.25. We think this thing's going to drop 5 points. It's more to the top side, in my opinion. More to the top side. Let's see here. Especially, yeah, man. You're above the zero mean. All the Z scores are up. Were the Z scores up on the 90? Yep. Having an outlier on the low length. And what are we doing here? Oh yeah. Bull div. When this move started rising right at the reverse wave trend when it crossed the zero mean. Push it, bulls. Push it. Let's see the 33 again. Another time frame down here. Above the zero mean, above Z scores up. Starting to drop out of a random walk. All the volatility's low. And the 981, which is right here, falling off a cliff, negatively correlated. That thing's ebbing flowing into a little move to the top side. Yes, it is. And, you've got the 2400's contracting negative. Really what was holding that back, we need this 33-minute candle close. You got positive correlation on the low length, and it's contracting. We need some volatility to come in here, low length wise. or a correlation break as it continues to contract with the others. More 15. Let's see. Like I said, this 15-minute candle is pulling right back up. Let's see if they can close 2 in a row above. Returns oscillator's kind of flat. I mean, it's just moving around in between the 2 SD band here. Oh, crazy dog. Tell you what, though, man. The Bears are fighting. There's no doubt. Let's see. Went back down. That was that first resistance level on the daily. It was sent a wick right back down into, pulled right back up. How much time? You almost got 11 minutes. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. That's why you got to go down here. Even on a 1 minute, man. Let's see. Yeah, definitely set up some bear. Boom, and it pulled as soon as it went down. Got the 1 minute candle down. But that bear just sets up in a hidden bull. That's all this is doing. All lower lows here. All higher lows. Same with the returns oscillator. Random log. Volatility starting to contract. What's a 981 doing? It's expanding positive. Or is that the 20? That's a 2400. Same deal though. It's positive. 981's actually contracting. That's why we're getting all these. Getting this back and forth. We're definitely getting this back and forth. The volatility though. On the 1 minute. It's like mild mid expansion happening right here. All right, let's see. There was the wave trend test. Bounced right back outside the top of the power mean band. Hey, what do we got? Yeah, triple Q's bouncing out of that little hole. See if we can close this one up here too. 9.5 minutes. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Yasha wants a PLTR. What the hell is PLTR? Probably no.
Palantir, right?
Palantir.
It's one of the AI things. It's one of the new ones, I guess.
Tight weekly range. I'll tell you that.
Palantir is not new. Palantir's been around.
It's getting a lot of traction due to AI.
Oh hell, that's a tight monthly, not weekly. Jesus, where's the weekly at? Tight too. Oh my goodness, no wonder this thing's running. You got a tight weekly, tight monthly. This bounce happened off of where? First standard deviation. I mean, literally got a wick right to it. If you're watching on TradingView, this is why we use the distribution, man. Because the algos sure are. But now, and that was yesterday, right? Closed it up here. What we got? We're above the 68.3 Laplace. Yeah, these ranges are saying trend central, and that's exactly what this thing's doing to the top side. Good Lord. What's this thing up? 3.7. Got it. Got it. Yasha's wanting me to dive into the degen den with Boyle. This is where all the degens go. All the shit coiners and crypto come right to Boyle. This thing is volatile as hell. Volatile as hell. But same time though, P-Funk, dude, this is a magnet down here too. If the bulls don't keep it up, they will hammer this back down to this area. That's like a 1.5. A close above the top side of the 68.3 today though. Good stuff. Good stuff. Even better above the first standard deviation. But look, you got the top of the daily range up here. And that is the top of the weekly too. This bad boy's about over. This bad boy. I'll tell you what. If this gets up to about 17.25, I would be hammering that to the downside, man. I mean, what is it, Tuesday? If this gets up here today, you're probably going to see some downward action the rest of the week, man. I mean, that's the top of the weekly range. You're not going to get through that. It can get through it, but by the weekly close, very high probability you're going to close inside that range. And that's so topping out at about 17.23. And just recently, using the same philosophy, it's played out every time, man. Played out every time. Called it on SPY a couple of weeks ago. I was like, SPY's done. I forget. Hell, it might have been on the first trading day of the week. That thing just ripped. I can't remember when it was, but it's a good move. I was like, yep, that's the high this week for SPY. And it sure was. Pulled back the rest of the week. Yeah. Yep. I agree, P-Funk. I agree. It's already starting to come down. Good stuff. Let me go over and check out very, very volatile natural gas. I'll tell you what, man, it just rejected off the top of the monthly. Like a lot of assets, man, all the macro volatility just piled together. Look at the new weekly. Center of the weekly is below the monthly though, which this pre-market. This is a power move on natural gas here, man, to get up to the top side of the monthly. All the ranges have been tested. Got the 1 SD up here. Bears are going to fight for their life here though. 66.37 area. For freaking sure. Oh God. What do I got to do? Do I got to go on Twitter and put all these fools to shame? Just disturbs me. How these people have followers with their traditional TA, their little calls. They're wrong almost all the time. Oh well, what are you going to do? And that tight little daily, no wonder. No freaking wonder. And here's what's great about it too. Does that need tested? Look where it closed. Gapped up right through it, man. That is a power move. Yeah, the boil's not done. I want to be a bit surprised to see this thing close above the 1 SD. Especially if you start closing some candles above the top side of the monthly. Let me see something here. Where's the first resistance on the weekly? By the end of the week, we could literally see this thing up here. Jesus, man. 72.68 area. I'm not saying today. That's above the 95.4 Laplace and the second standard deviation normal distribution, which are both 95.4% probability levels. You just got two different distribution models. Simple, right? Yeah, it's real simple. Look at a picture. Just Google Laplace distribution, normal distribution. First thing, you'll see the bell curve, right? People use the bell curve for all kinds of different things. I remember in school, though, I'll be like, I'll never use this stupid shit. Wrong. Wrong. Dude, so many applications. Can use it for a lot of different things. Yes. Yeah, I'd be definitely looking for those puts for sure. P-Funk. Boil though, man, this thing could be off the hook here. Let me see something. God, why do I have a feeling there's just a bunch of bull div build up on that damn thing? Because I was right. There it is right there. Bull div. That's on the 4 hour. What about the daily? Yep. Just crossing the zero mean. As a daily time frame thing just starting. You got the divs all over, man. Divs on both Z-scores and the returns oscillator. Look at Shannon Entropy percentile. Boom. One candle pop as it goes right into a full random walk. 981 expand. Wait a minute. Be careful here, though, because these daily volatility reads, we need to close today, because that's definitely not supporting. Definitely not supporting what I'm laying down. We have some hidden. Yo, that's some hidden from the cross back here. Tight power mean band. Goodness gracious. This thing's starting to expand now. What do you got wave trend up here? Boy, this thing's a shit show, though. 120.63. Holy shit. That'll wreck some fools. Jesus. Nah, what are you doing? Come here. Yeah, assets like this, man, they do not like it. Real weird read on the 4 hour. Come on, SPY. What are you going to do? Yeah, I'm going to flip back over. 90-minute looks good. Going to the top side of the power mean band. Just, boom. Found support right on that reverse wave trend. Look how Boyle was just hammering up against it right here. Pulled back a little bit and then pre-market. Whoop! Right up on top. Now it's running top side of the power mean band. 67. Wouldn't be a bit surprised to see that today. 67, huh? Yeah. A little bit above first standard deviation. I just called a minute ago. Let's see if it can close up there. Right around top side of the power mean band on the 90-minute chart. That would be above the 1 SD on the daily. Perfect. Perfection. Let's see if anything else is slamming. Who's winning? Oh, Jesus Christ. Look at Coinbase. Well, BTC must be pumping. What's happening over in Cryptoville? God, look at Coinbase scandal. Fucking A, man. Frucking A, man. Trend right to the 2SD band. Volatility. Take your profit, boys and girls. If you're up here dicking around, you're at 100%. 981's almost up there too. Got significant correlation on both the lower lengths. Grades up there peeking out with them. And current candle on the 90-minute, you are so way up above the outside of the Laplace distribution range. I'll be looking for this. During, what do we got? 47 seconds. 89.15. There's a 99.7% chance this thing pulls back here. Boy, it's trying to. Come on. Show the power, the distribution. Yeah, that's quite a move though. Doubt it's going to do it. That's bullish as hell, man. Jesus, what a move by Coinbase. Holy crap, leading the market, man. This thing's almost up 12 freaking percent. 12% on the day. Definitely leading the traditional markets. Even slapped lift around. Roku's up there too, 12%. Good Lord. Roku and Coinbase. Trades of the day. Trades of the day. And, I mean, guys, you had low volatility. I'm sure Roku same, man. Wouldn't be a bit surprised. Let's check it. Still working on a scanner. Yeah. Coming real handy for low volatility reads. What the hell? God. I'm doing my stream. I just got the living shit scared out of me.
He's outside?
He's outside. I heard the door open.
You thought it was the dog?
I thought it was the dog, and then there's a human. Okay, I mean, literally, I got goosebumps. I almost pulled out the shotgun. That would have made headlines. Indiana man, pull a shotgun on mom. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, that was... No, you're all good.
Hey, do you want these windows open here?
Yeah, they're fine.
Oh, it's going to get up to 86.
Well,
okay.
The AC's on.
Okay.
Let's see here. Oh, it's 11. We're allowed to bounce. I mean, look at Coinbase, guys. Or look at Roku. Jesus, man. Roku and Coinbase for the win today. Where was the low vol read, though? Where you at, Roku? That volatility was low somewhere. I mean, had a nice little dip right here. Volatility kind of fell off a cliff. And look at the 2400 hanging high. No brainer every time this happens. Where's Squashville? 33? Ooh, yeah, there was the good move right there. There was the low volatility. They all these time frames went straight into an outlier. Right? What's an outlier? It's a fat tail event within the distribution. Fat tail event. There you go, man. What's that mean? Look at the distribution models. Look at the tails. Look how bigger the tails are on Laplace distribution, especially the 99.7. The 95.4 is very similar to normal distribution, but it's when you get into the 99.7, a lot wider. A lot wider. Yeah, let's wrap this baby up, man. Damn, that time went quick. 2 hours went pretty damn quick, ladies and gents. Let me go back over here and SPY one more time. Boing! Here we go. All right. Close. Let's see if we can close this third candle. Remember what I said about SPY. All right. This thing is above that weekly range. Ball is definitely in the bull's court right now. Bears, you had your chance. You did. I mean, they expended a lot of energy to push this pre-market candle back down and almost make a run down here to the bottom side of the 68.3. That expended a lot of juice, man. That expended a lot of juice. Bulls took over. Let's see if they can keep it up here. Because at some point, they're going to push us to the top side of the 68.3. Is that at 441? All right. Looking to get above that first, though, for that move up here. Definitely targeting this first resistance level on the weekly. Now, whether or not that happens today, it's all going to depend on this top side of the 68.3 Laplace right here. If we get up above there, I'm looking for maybe second 4-hour candle of the day, which is a little shorter, right? It's only, what, 2.5 hour? but could definitely make it up there. Could definitely make it up there. So let's see how that plays out. Guys, want to thank you for the support in the Discord. Love it. If you're watching on TradingView, come join the Discord. If you got a strat that's already working for you, fine. Continue on. Nothing to see here. A lot of fun stuff going on in the Discord. Come on in. Well, we'd like to have a discussion. All right? We'd like to have a discussion about the way you trade. Let's do that. And we want to appreciate everybody on TradingView giving us these views. TradingView, want to thank you personally for putting our streams on the front page, featured. We love it. We're bringing you a different view of these markets for sure. Not too many people trade this way. You're not going to find anybody out there teaching this stuff, right? That should be a huge, huge red flag on traditional TA, that nobody else is teaching this. There's a reason. They don't want this information out, and I'm going to leave it at that. Wherever you live out on this big, beautiful blue marble, have a wonderful rest of your morning, afternoon, or evening. See you guys tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Peace. Hit that rocket icon, you scum.